Good day everyone, I'm Sherlyn Lobos. I will be the reporter's today's discussion about Marxist criminology conflict theory. Okay, let's start. What is the theory of Marxism? Marxism is a social, political, and economic theory originated by Karl Marx, which focuses on the struggle between capitalists and working class. Marx wrote the power of relationship between capitalists and workers were inherently exploitative and would inevitably create class conflict. Meaning, Marxism is the used name by Karl Marx for a set of political and economic ideas. There are basic ideas. The world is split into groups of people, the workers and the richer capitalists who exploit the workers. Marx wrote that the power of relationship between the two classes were inherently exploitative. What Marxist conflict theory? Conflict theory, first supported by Karl Marx, is a theory that society is in the state of perpetual conflict because of competition for limited resources. Conflict theory holds that social order is maintained by domination and power rather than by consensus and conformity, meaning Marxist conflict theory is developed by Karl Marx, claimed that due to society never-ending competition for finite resources, it will always be a state for conflict. It focuses on the competition between groups within the society over the limited resources. Conflict theory sees society as divided along lines of economic class between the proletarian working class and old-line ruling class. Marxist theory of criminology is an academic understanding of the origins and the ramifications of crime. Crime is caused by the struggle between two groups of people. First, instrumental Marxist position. Hardline position. Crime and creation and enforcement of law, the direct result of capitalism. Instrumental Marxist position. Elite model, a theory which reasons that policy makers in government and position of powers tend to share a common business or class background, and that their decision will affect their business or class interests. Second, structural Marxist position. Softer position. Governments are somewhat autonomous over time. The direction of the law, creation and enforcement will lean towards the capitalist, meaning propose that the state of function to serve the long-term interest of the capitalist class. They maintain that when the state does not benefit the middle class short-term interests, it is acting on the behalf of its future interests. Instrumental Marxist criminology. Richard Queeny in 1980. All conflict is organized around capitalist versus poor. Either you are oppressed, luckily, or capitalist. Anyone who does not realize this or identifies with capitalism has false class consciousness. The real power and authority is exclusive to the ruling class. Primary goal of capitalists, maintain power. To do this, must trample rights of others, but also must try portray an egalitarian society accomplished by controlling media academics. Meaning, Richard Queeny, known for his philosophical and critical approach to crime and social justice, in 1977, he continued to specify in particular the previous theoretical views of conflict by using Marxist ideas as the basis for the theory of conflict. In his own explanations, he described different types of crime caused by capitalists in order to maintain their control over society. The instrumentalist analysis of the state in first ground of his writings, criminality as expression and weapon in class struggle as threat to the capitalist system. The primary goal of capitalists is to maintain power and how to maintain. First, must crush a defeated or rights of others. Second, copy an equal or fair society. Third, control the media. Implications of law. Capitalists control the definition of crime. Laws protect the capitalist or property. Laws ignore crimes of capitalists or profiteering. Legal implications are the results of consequences of being involved in something according to law. Example, this is the case of marriage. As a consequence of being married, all property is considered to co-own as long as you acquired after you got married. A legal implication can either be a positive or negative. Capitalists control the definition of crime. The economic system of capitalism itself causes crime. The whole system is based on the exploitation of working class by the ruling class, leading to the ever-increasing wealth of one class and ever-increasing poverty of the other. Laws protect the capitalism. Capitalism is often thought as an economic system in which private actors own and control property in accord with their interests, and demand and supply freely set prices in markets in a way that can serve the best interests of society. Laws ignore crimes of the capitalist. It means the capitalist system encourages the criminal's behavior. All classes, not just working classes, commit crime, and the crimes of capitalist class are more costly than street crime. Implication for the criminal justice system. CJS is the tool of the capitalists used to oppress, not protect, the working population. Crimes of rich treated with kid gloves. Property crimes is strictly enforced. Street crimes are enforced only in poor neighborhoods. Incarceration to control surplus labor. Meaning has interesting implications with respect of definitions of offenses, prioritization of harm, division and responsibility for complex actions, and alternative control measures. Implications of crime. Crime of capitalists must control, economic domination, crimes of government, crimes of control, social injury should be crimes, crimes of lower class, rebellion, crime of accommodation. First, we have economic domination. For example, in basic terms, if two businesses are selling competing products and one can increase their selling price and they suffer an economic consequences such as boycott of their products or a shift of their customer to a cheaper product, they are dominant. Second, crime of government. This type of act violate federal law and are handled with the federal court system. It is called political crime such as sedition, treason, assassination, and even piracy, banditry, or brigandage. Crimes of control. An example of these, police officers also might be given the broad power to use more aggressive crime control strategies such as profiling, conducting uncover, sting operation, wiretapping, and targeting high crime locations. Third, social injuries. When one person attacks another and an injury occurs, most citizens view the event as a violent crime. By definition, such crime inflict physical harms on the victim. Fourth, crimes of lower class. Rebellion. To characterize a response in which people reject economic success and work to bring about a new society with new values and a new economic system. Fifth, crime of accommodation. Ways in which individuals cope within conditions of oppression, predatory crimes like break and enters, robbery, and drug dealing are often simplified economic survival strategy. The policy implication of Marxist criminology is clear. Dismantle the capitalist structure in favor of social structure. Overthrow of capitalism and establishment of socialism difficult to see much policy implication beyond this because anything short of this is social amelioration which Marxists deny will have any important effects. Criticism of instrumental Marxist criminology. An underdog theory with little basic in fact, are socialist societies any different? Another capitalist countries have low crime rates. Most crime is poor against poor. Marxists ignore the plight of the poor. This theory proposed that successful individuals need some struggle to succeed against seemingly insurmountable odds. A class of modern society, loosely sharing certain and formal similarity in their political, property, and production of regimes. There are countries with low crime rates like Canada, Australia, Portugal, and Bahrain. Marxists does not care about the difficult of the poor people. Advantages of conflict theory. Conflict theory sees social life as a competition and focuses on the distribution of resources, power, and inequality. Unlike functionalism theory, conflict theory is the better at explaining social change and weaker at explaining social stability, meaning it has a strength in its macro view of society, abstracting different portions of society in different groups of allows easier analysis for interactions between groups. Disadvantages of conflict theory. The main primary limitation of the conflict theory is the fact that it overlooks the stability of society. While societies are in a constant state of change, majority of the change is very small, it is sometimes goes out almost unnoticed, meaning weaker at explaining social stability. It has been critiqued for its inability to explain social stability and incremental change. It is also limited in certain environments. Example of conflict theory. Conflict theory can be used to look at wars, violence, revolutions, and forms of injustice and discrimination by explaining that there is the natural disparity in society that causes these problems. Another example of this is when crimes committed by members of wealthier classes, such as powerful CEOs or celebrities, often receive less punishment than crimes committed by people of minority races or lower social status. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something from me.